This video explains how to use proof by induction using the example below. This video is prepared by Hershey S. Sumikyab and
Kyle T. Rodriguez.
our given is 3 plus 7 plus 11 4n minus 1 equals n multiplied by 2n plus 1. So the first thing we're gonna do is to check if it is true for every term. Let's check if it is true for the first term. We're gonna replace n equals 1. And then we're gonna get the first term, which is 3. 3 equals, then replace every n with 1. 1 times 2 times 1 plus 1. 2 times 1 is equal to 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 1 times 3 is equal 3. As you see, both sides are equivalent. This means that it is true for the first term. Now, let's check if it is true for the second term. We're gonna replace n with the value of 2. Then, we're gonna get the first two terms, 3 plus 7, and replace the n with the value of 2. 2, 2 times 2 plus 1. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 2 times 2 is equal to 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Again, the left side and the right side are equivalent. This means that it is true for the second term. Now, let's check if it is true for the third term. We're gonna replace n with the value of 3. And then we're gonna get the first three terms, 3 plus 7 plus 11. And then replace every n with the value of 3. 3 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 plus 1. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10 plus 11. 2 times 3 is equal to 6 plus 1. 10 plus 11 is equal to 21. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. And 3 multiplied to 7 is equal to 21. Again, for the third term, both sides are equivalent. This means that it is true for the third term. For the first three terms, it is true. But for the 15th term, it might be false. So we need to come up with a way to make sure that it will be true for any term. This is how we're gonna do it. Let's assume that it's true when n is equal to k. Now we're gonna replace every n with the value of k. So we're gonna write it as 3 plus 7 plus 11 4k minus 1 equal k multiplied by 2k plus 1. Now, we're gonna replace the n with the value of k plus 1. First, we're just gonna copy this first term. And then, we're gonna add another term. And we're gonna replace the k with k plus 1. So 4k becomes 4 times k plus 1 minus 1. And then, all the k you see in k, 2k plus 1, we're also gonna replace it with k plus 1. K plus 1 multiply by 2 multiply by k plus 1 plus 1. As you see, 3 plus 7 plus 11 4k minus 1 is the same as k multiplied by 2k plus 1. So we're gonna simplify it and write it as k 2k plus 1. And then we're gonna add the other term plus 4 multiplied by k plus 1 minus 1. And then we're just gonna copy this. Now, we need to prove that both sides of this equation above are equivalent. Let's prove that these two sides of the equation are equal by combining like terms, distributing, and using FOIL method. First, we're gonna distribute k. K times 2k. 2k squared. K times 1 is equal to k. And then we're gonna distribute 4. 4 multiplied by k is 4k. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. And then we're gonna copy minus 1 equals copy k plus 1 and then distribute 2. 2 times k is equal to 2k. 2 times 1 is equal to 2 plus 1. Now, the only like terms here that we can solve are 4 minus 1 and 2 plus 1. So we're just gonna copy 2k squared plus k plus 4k. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 plus 3 equals, let's just copy k plus 1 and copy 2k and add 2 and 1 equals to 3. The only like terms we can solve here are k and plus 4k. K plus 4k is equal to 5k plus 3. We're gonna use the FOIL method to solve this. K times 2k is equal to 2k squared. K times 3 is equal to 3k. 1 times 2k is equal to 2k. And 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. There are no like terms here, so we're just gonna copy it below. 2k squared plus 5k plus 3. And then here, 3k and 2k are like terms, so we're gonna add it. But first, let's just copy 2k squared and then 3k plus 2k is equal to 5k. And then add 3. As we can see, the left side and the right side are both the same. Now, we have proved that 3 plus 7 plus 11 multiply by 4n minus 1 equals n multiply by 2n plus 1 is true using proof by induction. This is how we prove that the original statement is true for any term or for any value.